Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining. In this video, we're going to dig into how we can download and play with large language models on our local machine. The way that we do this is using Ollama. Ollama is an open source framework that allows users to download and interact with a large number of large language models, including the uncensored versions of those large language models. So don't get yourself into trouble. But first things first, what we're going to do is jump right into hitting that download button. You can do it on Mac OS, Linux, but of course I'm on a Windows machine right now. So you hit the download and you'll be able to hit the execute. So here in a second, I'll be right back to get to the next screen. So stay tuned. All right. Now, after hitting that executable, you should have gotten to this screen now where you're going to then hit install. Once you hit install, it'll go through the normal installation process, and then we will be back and I'll show you how to actually interact with those models and how to download the models that you'd like to play with. So stay tuned. All right. If all went well, you should have been able to install and download the Ollama open source framework. Now, you can go ahead, if you're on a Windows machine or whatever you're using from the terminal, if you're in Linux or Mac, you can go to your command prompt or to PowerShell as it's shown right here. So with regards to what we need to, the first thing that we can run is going to be Ollama, and that'll give us the list of commands that we can use and utilize from. Now, if you're starting from scratch, you're not going to have any of these models already installed. So let's first, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I have downloaded so far. Now, I've gotten the Llama 3 Guru Uncensored, Dolphin Llama 3 Latest, and Llama 3 Latest. So let's go ahead and just take a look. I'm going to, what you would normally do if you want to go ahead and, for example, Mistral, you'll be Ollama run Mistral, and that'll go through the download process and it'll download to your local machine. Now, I will caution you, you probably don't want to do like the 40 gig or 70 gig models, the very, very large models. You're probably just wanting to look at the 8 billion parameters or basically the smaller ones, depending upon your machine size, unless you have the $5,000 to $6,000 supercomputer. Just be careful in what you run. I'm going to go ahead and just hit the run GuruBot. Okay, GuruBot 3 Guru Uncensored Latest. This is actually going to get it up and running. And again, this is an uncensored version. This will give us a prompt. Okay, this is the prompt that we'd be using. Now, this would be that after you've gotten everything downloaded. So let's just, hi, who are you? And it provides you with a nice little information on AI assistant trained to provide information on any topic with no moral, ethical, or legal judgment. Okay. Let's see. It gives us a prompt of what is the most efficient way to get $1 million. And it's going to actually give us the different options of winning the lottery, starting a business, invest wisely, and of course, random other ways of being able to most efficiently get $1 million. Again, remember, you can ask pretty much any questions as it says, but this has been a way to show you how you can actually go and interact with local language models in a chat-like function. And in our future videos, I'm going to show you how we can connect our agents, if we want to develop some agents to actually use these models as their basis. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.